SoundHound AI will take part in the H.C. Wainwright Annual Global Investment Conference in New York at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time on September 9th, as well as the Piper Sandler Growth Frontiers Conference in Nashville, Tennessee at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time on September 11th. At both conferences, SoundHound will also hold one-on-one investor meetings. Then on to AI. Applied to electric vehicles, Charging with ChargePoint announcing its AI-powered driver support tool that is designed to rapidly accelerate the diagnosis and repair of charging stations by identifying physical charger issues. It is reported to work by having a driver taking photos of a charger experiencing issues. These photos are then submitted to what is being called the improved Report a Problem feature in the ChargePoint app. The app can then link the issue to the driver's location and analyzes the images for anomalies, made possible by using various inputs that train the technology for the context of EV charging. After the issue is identified, the software relays the information to ChargePoint's Network Operations Center, something the company says eliminates the need for most on-site inspections, enabling physical issues that can't be detected via remote monitoring to be fixed. Meanwhile, drivers who report issues can track repair status in their app, while their report will automatically generate an alert for the station owner, resulting in higher uptime for chargers as part of broader plans to further increase charging station reliability. Next, Nano Nuclear Energy will have a 30-minute presentation at the 26th Annual H.C. Wainwright Global Investment Conference on September 10th at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, where executives and head of reactor development will also participate in one-on-one meetings at the conference. Among the topics expected to be discussed is the progress of their growth strategy and the recently acquired Annular Linear Induction Pump (ALIP) technology and its synergies with the Odin reactor. Please have a look at the video about Nano Nuclear's plans to get up to speed on their growth strategy and details about the Odin reactor.